All right, so I think we are good now, unless I lose power again. So you guys let me know if you can hear me, if everything's good, if there's any extracurricular sounds going on, please let me know. While you guys are letting me know that, we're going to continue with our severe weather coverage here. And again, we're still tracking this tornado warning here, and this is going to be for just to the south of Edmonton now. Just to the south of Edmonton. Let's real quickly. Let's switch out to the. This is out of Nashville. Okay. So that is good. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Adair County is in the clear. Okay. We have a new tornado warning that was just issued here. Let's see. Oh, that's a lot of static. We got to fix that. Hang on. That is a lot of static. We've got to fix that. I don't know why there would be static. I'm starting to get very irritated. Okay, so is that better? Yes, tell me if that's better. Okay. So we'll just turn the phone off. Okay. Guys, I'm being real serious. I really do apologize for all of the technical issues. We're gonna have to do a complete reboot on how we do this broadcasting because this has been. I talked to you guys about this in the past yesterday that I thought that this could be the most serious severe weather threat of the year, and it has been, and it's been on the broadcasting end. It's been an absolute disaster. So I'm not happy with that, and I definitely hold myself to a higher standard as far as the broadcasting aspects of it. But in life, I'm not trying to do a lecture here in the middle of severe weather coverage, but in life, you're going to get handed some bad fruit, and you just have to handle that the best way you can. So, I can't help that we lost power. I can't help that the microphone hadn't been working. It's been an absolute disaster pretty much all night. So I definitely appreciate you guys sticking with me. So here is the latest information. So this area of circulation is now south of Edmonton. And let's zoom in here and let's see if we can talk. Let's highlight some areas here. Glen Shaw Road is where this area of rotation is going to be. It's going to be between Highway 163 and Highway 496 here, just south of Edmonton, here in the southern part of Metcalfe County. Now, this is not a super strong area of rotation by no means, which is definitely some good news, but this storm is still rotating, and there's still a lot of lightning here in the Edmonton area. So this new tornado warning that was just issued is for northeastern Monroe County and northwestern Cumberland County and southern Metcalfe County until 6:45 Central. Tornado and quarter-size hail is going to be the primary hazards. Flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. So this tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Monroe, northwestern Cumberland, and southern Metcalfe counties. So Waterview, Cofer, Curtis, Ellington, Goodluck, Willow Shade, and Grider is going to be a couple of the communities impacted there. Okay, so zoom out here just a little bit more, and again we got several tornado warnings ongoing. So let's zoom in over here back into the London community, and again, not trying to cut anybody short here, but we gotta make sure everybody's prepared and staying up to date on the latest information here. This area is this is a new area of not a new area, but this is an area of rotation that's gotten a little bit stronger here, just to the southwest of London, getting ready to cross over I-75. And you see here over the last few frames here, this area of rotation has definitely gotten stronger. So let's get this tornado warning on the board here over here in eastern Kentucky. This is for the London area. And again, London was hit pretty hard last year, May of 2025, if I'm correct. But this is National Weather Service in Jackson has issued this tornado warning for southeastern Laurel County, northwestern Knox County, and west central Clay County in eastern Kentucky. That's until 7:30 Eastern Time. A couple locations. This dangerous storm will be near London, near 7:05, so it's pretty much going to be on top of London any second now. Labesse around 7:10. Tuttle around 7:15. Cane Creek around 7:20. Blackwater also is going to be in the path of this dangerous storm, and this area of rotation here is getting ready to cross over Highway 192. They're in Laurel County, just south of London. So again, if you know anybody that lives in these locations, please make sure that they are in their tornado safe zone. And that is going to be moving just to the south of Manchester, as well into the north of Barberville. They're in eastern Kentucky. And that area of rotation there, that might be on the ground there, guys. That's going to be just south of London, just to the west of I-75. It's getting ready to cross over I-75. This could be on the ground here, guys. This definitely is a very strong area of rotation right over top of Highway 192 there in Laurel County, just south of London. Let's check, see if there's anything on the correlation coefficient. Nothing yet, but that's very close to being on the ground there in the London area. So let's quickly do a zoom out. Again, we got numerous warnings ongoing. And let's go back here to the regular relative activity. Nothing is ongoing here in the central Kentucky area outside of right around the Cumberland Parkway and to the south, okay? Campbellsville, I would almost like to say, I don't know if there would be any additional thunderstorm development throughout the night. Let's look at the latest data here from the HRRR model and see if there is anything. So this is the 21Z. It looks like this is going to be the only round of severe weather we have here tonight, folks, okay? So that is definitely some good news. So once this line kind of pushes through, I believe that you will be in the clear. So Taylor County's in the clear. Greene County looks to be in the clear. Marion, Washington, Nelson, Hardin County, any areas in northern Kentucky along the western Kentucky Bluegrass Parkways to the north, it looks like they're going to be in the clear for tonight. Still, again, tracking this dangerous storm here just south of Edmonton. Let's go to the velocity mode. Let's make sure I'm out of Nashville. I want to get a little bit closer here. Still, strong area of rotation here in the southern part of Metcalfe County, just south of Edmonton. This is going to be moving toward the Marrowbone community, the Burkesville. It'll be just to the west of Burkesville, okay? This is not going to affect the city limits of Burkesville as of right now. This will be to the west of Burkesville, and it will be to the east of Tompkinsville, okay? So we're still tracking that tornado warning. And let's go back over here to the regular reflectivity mode. We have a little bit of rotation with this storm here in the Plano community here in Warren County. You can kind of see the inflow with this storm and a lot of lightning here on the south side of Warren County. So let's get this severe thunderstorm warning. We're going to be watching it relatively closely here as well. And this is going to be a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Simpson County, Allen County, southwestern Warren County. That's going to go until 6:45 Central Time. This severe thunderstorm is located near Memphis Junction. 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. It's going to be south of Bowling Green. Scottsville will be impacted. This is going to be to the east of Woodburn, West Fork, Rich Pond, Green Hill, these type communities. Lots of can't even talk. Lots of cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Please move indoors immediately if you're in this area, and that's going to be moving toward the Scottsville area. And then if we move to the north just a little bit, this is going to include primarily Barron County. We'll get this warning here for you as well. The National Weather Service also has a tornado tag possible with this storm. Let's check out the velocity mode. Yeah, a little bit of rotation showing up here there in Barron County, but definitely nothing to really be concerned about. But this severe thunderstorm warning is for northeastern Allen County, east central Warren, and southwestern Barron County. That's until 6:30 Central Time. Glasgow, this is going to be just to the south of Glasgow. It's going to be south of Smiths Grove. Oakland was just impacted with that storm, and that was an update on that one. So they took a Bowling Green out of that severe thunderstorm warning there. So that's going to be that's going to be just for Glasgow. My radar got a little drunk there. We did a complete 180 there. So, with that being said, let's go back and let's continue tracking our dangerous storm down here in the southern part of Metcalfe County here. We'll zoom over here just a little bit. Sirens are going off in Monroe County now, and that is because this storm is getting ready to move into Monroe County. Still a strong area of rotation here. Showing up just to the south of Edmonton. But, again, nothing really super concerning. This is still a radar-indicated threat, okay? So I don't want anybody to get super bent out of shape here. Just be in your tornado-safe zone as this storm moves through the area. Again, that's going to be coming through the Marrowbone community. Just to the west of Burkesville and just to the east of Tompkinsville. I do want to show you guys this. I actually submitted this. This is from Ryan Polk. I know this is kind of hard to see, but this is a picture of the tornado that come through Hart County earlier. We'll get a better picture of this on our pages later, but Ryan Polk is somebody that works closely here with 0 meter chasers. And you can see that tornado there with that picture. So we'll get that squared away as we progress into the night. Here's a picture from Lindsay. This is in Wisdom, Kentucky, of a shelf cloud. So Lindsay Hubbard, appreciate you. Good picture there. Here's one from Tristan Dobson earlier in Campbellsville of the shelf cloud coming in. Again, if you guys have any pictures from this afternoon, please send them in. Here's another one from Carrie. Here's a scud cloud in Austin. So definitely some good pictures this afternoon. So we're going to watch this. This area of rotation maybe has gotten a little bit stronger just to the north of the Marrowbone community there. Okay. So again, we're zooming out here. Let's go back. I want everybody. I've got a lot of people asking questions about so and so. Please know where you're at on the map. Okay, guys. Right now, Campbellsville and Greensburg is in the clear. I'm not expecting anything for them. If you live to the north, say you're Hardin County, LaRue County, Nelson, Marion, Washington, not concerned about anything from them tonight. We're only tracking this line. So basically, if you live, say, to the south of this line, that is what I'm watching right now. If you live up here where I'm drawing the X's, I'm not expected to see any type of severe weather for the remainder of the night, okay? If you live south of this line, severe weather threat continues, okay? So if you live up here where the X's are, I would believe that your severe weather threat is over for the night. I don't see there being any more thunderstorm development, but we will keep an eye on it, Okay. Okay. So let's go back over here real quickly. I want to go back over to this London storm. We want to get an update on it, okay? So this is a tornado warning. Let's go to the velocity mode, and that was just 2 minutes ago. So the area rotation definitely weakened. Right here it was pretty strong, and that could have been a brief tornado on the ground just to the very close to I-75 there. But then as this storm moved to the east, still an area of rotation right there. It's going to be on the east side of I-75 now. That's going to be near the Hammock Road Lily communities. Highway, say 28 there in Laurel County, just south of London. So again, if you live in that area, please be aware of that potential tornadic circulation there. But that tornado warning here continues for another 17 minutes, and that's going to be for southeastern Laurel County, northwestern Knox County, west central Clay County. So that is getting ready to move into the eastern part of Laurel County. So we'll go back to the National Weather Service in Nashville and get back on this rotation here with this storm here in Metcalfe County. So this storm in Metcalfe County here has another 31 minutes. This is a radar indicated threat. Still a pretty, I wouldn't say strong area, but there's still an area of rotation here. It's not very organized. Don't see anything that would be suspicious reflectivity. Yeah, I mean, there's still rotation nonetheless here in the southern part of Metcalfe County, so we definitely want to be on our toes there in Metcalfe County. Dare County's good. Dare County is good, guys. Again, I haven't looked at anything on Facebook. I know that there's a lot of people that has tagged me and stuff. I'll go through all of the. I have at least 300 messages. We'll go through all the video and stuff once all this is said and done. But right now, we're going to continue to track this tornadic circulation. Again, this is going to be here in the southern part of Metcalfe County. It's going to be moving into the Marrowbone community now. So this is going to be moving into the Cumberland County area. This area of rotation is going to be right on the Metcalfe County, Cumberland County line in the Marrowbone community. And then we also still have these 2 severe thunderstorm warnings here. Still in effect. We have one here for another 14 minutes here. This is going to be for, again, Barron County. Sorry, be northeastern Allen and southwestern Barron County. That's going to be 60-mile-an-hour winds there. And the strongest part of that storm is going to be to the south of Glasgow there, around 31E and Highway 249 going south. And then we also have this severe thunderstorm warning continuing here for the Allen County, Scottsville area. Still some area of rotation showing up here as well. And you look at the reflectivity here, and this is where you're getting some inflow into the storm. So we're going to watch this. There is some rotation with this storm, but nonetheless, right now it's just a severe thunderstorm warning. Radar indicated. That's going to be for East Central Simpson, Allen County, Southwestern Warren until 6:45 Central Time. 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail primary threats with that storm. So it's tornado warning continuing here for 27 minutes. Still a pretty good area of rotation near the Marrowbone community, right there along the Cumberland-Metcalfe County line. All right, got somebody asking about Somerset. We do need to go check on them. So Somerset is good. There is a strong thunderstorm here on the south side of Somerset. Check the velocity. Broad rotation showing up. Nothing significant, nothing to worry about. But this is a strong thunderstorm here in the Somerset area. Definitely wanted to check on that. And then again, we still are tracking this tornado warning storm here in Laurel County. Still an area of rotation showing up east of I-75 right here in this vicinity, but that area of rotation does not look very organized right now. But it would be around the campgrounds community there in Laurel County. They're east of I-75. So, and that warning does continue here for another 10 minutes. So we'll see what the National Weather Service in Jackson decides to do with that here in the next 10 minutes. Outside of that, that's really the only severe weather threat we have here in eastern Kentucky. Again, we still have that strong thunderstorm here in the Somerset-Pulaski County area. We'll see if that strengthens to severe limits here in the next little bit. But right now, it is not severe. So we already have a tornado report here sent in to the Storm Prediction Center. Trees fell onto home. No injuries reported from the damage. That's near the 500 block of Rowletts, Cave Spring Road. I don't know how to pronounce that in the intersection and at the intersection. So that comes from the National Weather Service in Louisville. How much longer do we have on that storm? So this severe thunderstorm warning here, got another 24 minutes on this storm, and this is going to be for, let's see here, northern Christian County, southeastern Hopkins County, 60-mile-an-hour winds, going to be the biggest threat with that storm. And then we're going to go back and again we're tracking the number one storm right now in our area is this tornado warning still in effect here, and this is going to be in the Marrowbone community. Sorry, just looking at some things here that's come through on the socials. So going through the comments here. So Russell County's they're good right now too. So again, we're only tracking basically this right here. Let me turn that off. Turn the storm reports off. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to the radar here. There we go. Velocity. It's the strongest part of this storm is literally going to be right over top of the Marrowbone community. So we're going to talk about Glasgow Road, Gary Gap Road, Highway 496, Highway 90, Highway 3115, Mud Camp Road. Right here in this area, it's going to be basically between Green Valley Road and Glasgow Road. Somewhere between those two roads here in the Marrowbone community. Right in here. And that is going to be, let's put a little motion on the radar. That area of rotation is going to be moving towards the Burkesville area. I don't think Burkesville will be directly impacted, but Burkesville will definitely be very close to this tornadic circulation, okay? So again, I'm not seeing anything that is super concerning that shows, sorry, phone fell down, that shows any type of tornadic circulation reaching the ground right now. By no means. Definitely the storm is rotating. The storm's producing a lot of lightning. Definitely some gusty winds. But nonetheless, I don't see anything that shows anything reaching the ground right now. This is a circulation still ongoing, a tornadic circulation nonetheless. But nothing that is going to be super concerning as far as it reaching the ground. Now, however, that could change in an instant, so I don't want anybody to let their guard down, especially there in Marrowbone. You need to be in your tornado safe zone as a precaution, because this, like I said, this storm is rotating. But I'm not seeing anything that shows it being on the ground right now, by no means. Okay. So we're going to zoom out here. So again, here in Kentucky right now, we have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings. Here in South Central Kentucky, 3 severe thunderstorm warnings and 2 tornado warnings. This tornado warning over here in the London area doesn't have too much longer on it. It has 4 minutes. And based on the velocity here, again, there still is some rotation there on the eastern part of Laurel County. But I don't see anything to where they continue that severe that tornado warning. There is again some broad rotation between the Somerset and Burnside area, but this is not severe. But the National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a special weather statement for the Pulaski County area. This is going to be a strong thunderstorm over the Somerset Pulaski Airport, or right over Somerset. That's going to be moving southeast at 35 miles an hour, so 40 miles an hour in pea-size hail. So Marrowbone. My apology, Sammy. Did I pronounce that right? Marrowbone. Hang on. Marrowbone. Marrowbone. Right? You guys have to remember, I'm not around a lot of these communities, so just greet me a little. Give me a little grace here. Let's go back here to the Nashville. So again, rotation still continues there in Marrowbone. Okay. Marrowbone. Okay. Thank you, guys. Is that right? Marrowbone? Am I correct on that? Marrowbone? Oh, yeah. Marebone. I give up. I really do give up, guys. Marbone. 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 I give up. All right. We can go back to teaching me some pronunciation later. Got some people asking about Bowling Green, Smiths Grove area. Now, Bowling Green is not under a any type of warning right now. But we do have some strong thunderstorm activity ongoing here in the Bowling Green area. This is going to be this is going to produce winds, say 40, 45 miles an hour. Torrential rainfall, lots of lightning. They're in the Bowling Green, Warren County area. We still have this severe thunderstorm warning here for Allen County. And this is going to be still for another 15 minutes here. Another 15 minutes here. Still showing some rotation with this storm as well, just to the west of Scottsville there, but nothing significant enough to produce. But you can definitely see the inflow into this storm. Lots of lightning ongoing there. Again, that severe thunderstorm warning continues for east, central Simpson County and southwestern Warren County. Oh, sorry, hang on. That warning was canceled. So this severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southwestern Allen County, and that's going to be for 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. And that's going to stay just to the south and west of Scottsville. All right, so let's look at that velocity again. So again, we're still going to watch this velocity mode. There still is some rotation there just to the west of Scottsville. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But right now, just a severe thunderstorm. That's the only severe thunderstorm warning we have there in South St. Well, and I said that until they just issued one. So new severe thunderstorm warning for Logan, Simpson, and Warren. So that's going to be for something right in here, I would have to guess. Very close. So there's that new severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued. And we'll get that one here. That's going to be for another 43 minutes. It's going to go for northeastern Logan County, central Simpson, and southwestern Warren County until 7:15. It's going to be for 60-mile-an-hour winds. Now, this is going to be to the south of Bowling Green. The southern part of Bowling Green is going to be impacted. Anderson, Franklin, Auburn, Woodburn, Rich Pond, Buffalo Fork, and Lost City. Large hail damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with the storm. So if you're in this area, please move indoors immediately. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm. And then we have this severe thunderstorm warning. We'll go to the Jackson radar site. We're watching this storm here in the Burnside community. It says a severe thunderstorm warning that we are tracking. The National Weather Service in Jackson says a tornado is possible with this storm. So let's look at the velocity. Definitely some rotation around the Burnside community. Nothing to be really concerned about right now, just something to watch. But this is a severe thunderstorm warning here for northeastern Wayne County, southwestern Laurel County, southeastern Pulaski County, northeastern McQuarrie County, and northwestern Whitley County until 8 o'clock Eastern Time. This storm is located right over top of Burnside, moving to the southeast at 35. 60-mile-an-hour winds and penny-sized hail is going to be the primary threat with this storm. The storm's going to be near Alpine around 7:35, Huxley around 7:45. Back to the Nashville radar site. This tornado warning still has another 11 minutes on this storm here. And this is going to be coming into the just to the west of Burkesville here, right along Highway 90. So Highway 90, which would be Glasgow Road, coming out of Burkesville, heading toward, say, Tompkinsville. That's where the area of rotation is going to be. It's going to be very close to Burkesville. There's a new severe thunderstorm warning that is going. So the National Weather Service is going to allow that tornado warning to expire. Sammy, no. What's the word I'm looking for? Sorry, I'm starting to lose energy here, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. The technical issues that drains me. I know that that's nobody's fault, but the technical issues drains a lot of my energy. I strive to be as on top of my game as I can be, and tonight has not been that. I've had multiple technical issues, and that means we're going to fix those. But anywho, Sammy, no, you didn't offend me. I promise. I try to pronounce things correctly, but obviously I don't do the best job, and that is why I am streaming from my basement and not on TV. That and I'm ugly. That's probably the main reason. Anyway, this new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued here for the Burkesville area. This is going to be for southwestern Clinton County and Cumberland County until 7:15 Central Time. And this severe thunderstorm is located near Burkesville, 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. So you can see it on here. There still is some inflow in here, so there is definitely still some rotation here. Again, this is going to be just to the west of Burkesville there. So we're going to watch that, see, make sure it doesn't cycle and flare back up into another tornado type storm here. But the National Weather Service is going to allow that tornado warning to expire here in 8 minutes. Still some rotation showing up there just, again, just to the west of Burkesville. So outside of that, we're going to do a zoom out on the full picture here. I got a lot of people asking. I'm a lot of people asking about a second round. Right now, I'm not expecting a second round of severe weather. I think this is the only round of severe weather we're going to see uh, today, which is definitely some good news. But we still have some storm activity that is still firing back up, so I don't want to leave our guard down too much. Albany, let me switch back to the Nashville radar site. Albany is in this severe thunderstorm warning, Allison. The area rotation is probably going to stay to the west of Albany. And again, we're still continuing to watch that. That's going to be right around the Burkesville area. And this area rotation does look at least a little bit more organized on that last scan. And that's going to be very near Burkesville. So there's definitely some rotation there in the Burkesville area. Nonetheless, so if you're in the Burkesville area, you're still technically under that tornado warning for another 6 minutes. So please be sheltered in place as this storm moves through. So if you're in Burkesville and just to the south of Burkesville, say on Highway 61, Leslie Road, these type areas there in Cumberland County, be in your safe zone as a precaution. Stacy's reporting no power in center and some trees down. And again, that's where that tornadic circulation come through. It did come through center. So again, if anybody has any pictures that you took today during the severe weather event, you can go to zerometerchasers.com and you can actually submit a photo. So I'm actually going to turn my phone on for a second. I hope you don't hear any static. Pamela is reporting no power out here in the Edmonton area on Delks Branch Road as well. I'll pull the power data here in just a second. We'll go over that. All right, again, just seeing if anybody sent me anything on my phone. All right, just double checking. Make sure that I didn't have anybody send me anything personal. So I do have that sometimes. All right, does anybody hear any static? If you guys hear any static, just let me know. We'll close the phone back up. I've got it pulled back up, but for now, hopefully we'll be all right. All right. Yeah, just looking through some stuff here. I'm trying to get. Got a lot of people that's tagging me and stuff. We are looking through some of the stuff that's sending. Send me stuff again. We're getting lots of reports of damage in Hart County. So please play for Hart County. All right, here in the Greene County area. We still have some storm activity ongoing here in the Hart Greene County area, okay? So don't let your guard down just yet. You can kind of see here over the last little bit how these storms have kind of developed and actually gained a little bit of strength. So don't want to let our guard down on that, unfortunately. And we still have a lot of thunderstorm activity ongoing over here in just to the south of Bowling Green. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do here, guys, we're going to do a quick recap on everything going on, okay? We're going to go from west to east. We're going to give an update on everything that's going on. And then we're going to take a look at the current situation of central Kentucky. So right now, over here in Todd County, just some strong thunderstorm. Todd into Logan County. Over into Russellville. Lots of heavy rainfall. Lots of lightning, some strong winds, and some small hail definitely ongoing here in this area. We scroll over here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning here. And this severe thunderstorm warning is going to be in effect for another 30 minutes. And this is going to go for a northeastern Logan County, central Simpson, southwestern Warren County. That goes to 7:15 Central Time. National Weather Service says 60-mile-an-hour winds is the primary threat with this storm. Auburn, Woodburn, Plano, and just to the south of Bowling Green is going to be the areas that have the best chance of seeing severe thunderstorm activity. Again, lots of lightning ongoing with this storm as well. We're going to go a little bit more to the south. The National Weather Service just expired this severe thunderstorm warning, but still some strong thunderstorm conditions ongoing just south of Scottsville. Again, same thing, torrential rainfall, lots of lightning, small hail definitely possible just to the south of Scottsville. That storm's moving toward Westmoreland, Tennessee. We're going to move up here to the north just a little bit. Strong thunderstorm conditions continue from Bowling Green up to Smiths Grove, up to Cave City, over to Glasgow. And you can see how these storms have kind of strengthened just a little bit, but it's you're looking at medium showers here in this area. Again, that's right along the I-65 corridor from Bowling Green up to Cave City and just to the south. We go a little bit more to the south here. Still have some strong thunderstorm activity ongoing in the Summer Shade down to just north of Tompkinsville. We go over to the east just a little bit more. Again, severe thunderstorm warning just issued not too long ago, and this is for another 28 minutes. This is going to be for southwestern Clinton County and Cumberland County until 7:15. 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail is possible with that storm. National Weather Service still states that a tornado is possible, so remain alert for a possible tornado with this storm. We'll switch over here to the National Weather Service in Nashville's radar site. Still some area rotation showing up in the Burkesville area, but again, nothing to be concerned about there. So that's definitely some good news. You're definitely seeing more of a little bit of a Boeing segment. This would be indicative of some winds, say 50 up to 60 miles an hour with that storm. We go up here a little bit more to the north, and let me go back here to the Louisville radar site. A little bit more to the north here in the Greene and Hart County area. Again, nothing severe ongoing, but some strong thunderstorm activity just to the east of Muffortville and in southern Greene County, say the XE community, McKinney Corner, those type areas. You can see here over just the last little bit how these storms has kind of developed. Zoom out here just a little bit more. Yeah, you can see how these storms have progressed here over the last little bit. We'll get to that new severe thunderstorm warning here in just a second. We're going to go to National Weather Service over here in Jackson. We still have this severe thunderstorm warning here in the Pulaski County area. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southwestern Laurel, southeastern Pulaski, northeastern McQuarrie, and northwestern Whitley counties. 60-mile-an-hour winds and penny-sized hail is the primary threat with this storm. We'll zoom out here just a little bit. And you can see where Somerset's at. This is just going to be to the southeast of Burnside and to the west of Corbin. This is going to be approaching the I-75 corridor here over the next, say, 30 minutes or so. And then we're going to progress here just a little bit more to the east. We have a special weather statement here for a strong thunderstorm. This is issued by the National Weather Service in Jackson. This is going to be for, let's see here. It's going to be a strong thunderstorm near Fletcher, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Winds potentially up to 40 miles an hour as well. And then we're going to go over here just to the north a little bit too. This is going to be close to Hazard. And this is, again, another special weather statement. This thunderstorm was over Hayden. Winds up to 40 miles an hour as well. There's a new severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued, I believe. Oh, no, sorry, that was over here. Okay, so let's go here. So this thunderstorm warning was just issued. Let's go over here to this one. So new severe thunderstorm warning here just issued for Simpson County, or sorry, southwestern Allen County. This storm is going to be just to the south of Scottsville. 60-mile-an-hour winds is going to be the primary threat with the storm, and lots of cloud-to-ground lightning also. And there is some rotation with this storm just north of the Tennessee border there, just to the south of Scottsville. So if you live near Highway 482, there in the Allen County area, that's the area that has the best chance to see rotation. Again, nothing super concerning there, but we are monitoring that as well. So that's again 1, 2, 3, 4 severe thunderstorm warnings here in South Central Kentucky is what we are tracking right now. We'll put this radar into motion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to go grab me a glass of water here real quick. So give me like 2-3 minutes. Go grab me a glass of water and I'll be right back. And we'll track these storms moving into South Central Kentucky. It's a little bit longer, but the severe weather threat is slowly dwindling down here for South Central Kentucky as this line progresses down into Tennessee. So I'll be back in about 2 minutes. Hang on. All right, thank you guys for giving me a second to go grab me some water. And when I went to go find some water, I found something better. You know, when you go to a fridge and you're you're getting something in there like a water or you know I don't know a snack, and you know that that's in there, but you go to the fridge and you find something that you didn't know was there. So I went to go grab me some water, and I found this Gatorade. There was only one. It's a berry Gatorade. Not my favorite in the world, but you know, sometimes you find some mysterious treasures you didn't think was there, right? So, pretty excited about that. All right, so I'm gonna stay live here just a little bit longer to make sure some of these storms do not go tornado warning or anything like that. But our severe weather threat is ramping down. So it is 6:54 Central Time, 7:54 Eastern, and we still have quite a few people watching, but not as many as we had earlier. So let's get all the latest warnings here, and we will conclude tonight's severe weather coverage. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start west and move to the east. So same thing that we're looking at here. Severe thunderstorm conditions continuing here in Todd and Logan counties. I know that these counties are not under a severe thunderstorm warning right here, but you're still experiencing some pretty strong thunderstorm activity, borderline severe, lots of lightning, torrential rainfall ongoing with this storm as well. So that is a big deal there in the Todd, Logan County area. We're going to pan off here to the east. And this is a severe thunderstorm warning here, continuing here for another 19 minutes. So 19 minutes with this storm. That's going to be for northeastern Logan, central Simpson, and southwestern Warren County, and that's until 7:15 Central Time. 7:15 Central Time. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust is the primary threat with this storm. So let's look at the velocity mode. Yeah, you can definitely see here on the velocity mode here, maybe a little bit of a Boeing segment with the winds. That's probably the area that you're going to have the best chance to see those strong winds there. And 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts is going to be the primary threat moving through the Auburn and the Woodburn communities now. There in the eastern part of Logan County, southern part of Warren County, northern part of Simpson County, okay? And then we are going to move a little bit more to the south, and we're going to change radar sites to Nashville, where we can see these storms. It's a little bit better. We have two areas of strong thunderstorm activity here in the Simpson County area. Let's show some velocity on that. A little bit of rotation in the Mitchellville area. I think that's how you pronounce it. Right here on the Kentucky-Tennessee border, just north of Portland, Tennessee. So we're watching that very closely. Also, some rotation showing up here in the Fairfield community, just to the south of Scottsville. So definitely watching that one very close as well. But nonetheless, we have just one severe thunderstorm warning here. This is going to be just to the south of Scottsville. It's going to be the Allen County area, and this severe thunderstorm warning is officially for southwestern Allen County until 7:15 Central Time. 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, primary threat with that. We're going to go a little bit more to the east. We have another severe thunderstorm warning here, and this is for the Tompkinsville area. And this goes for another 46 minutes. Central Monroe County, southwestern Cumberland County, and south central Metcalfe County. The very, very, very sliver, this area right here, was that warning just issued? Cumberland, Metcalfe, Monroe. This area right here is just a very sliver of Metcalfe County that's included with that warning there. I don't know what that was. So again, 60-mile-an-hour winds, quarter size hail, primary threat with this storm here. And that's going to be moving into the Tompkinsville area relatively soon. We're going to go to the west just a little bit more. And this is going to be for the Burkesville, just to the south and east of the Burkesville community, and just to the north of Albany. A little bit of rotation with that one, but this is primarily going to be damaging winds. That's going to be moving into the Clinton County area. There is a tornado possible with this storm. So this is going to be, this severe thunderstorm warning is for southwestern Clinton and southeastern Cumberland counties. And that is until, let's see here. I don't say on that one. I'm missing it. Expires 7/15. Yeah, right there it is. I'm losing my mind. So that expires at 7/15. And I'm just seeing some of the video of that tornado when it crossed I-65 in Hart County earlier. So there is people that's got that on video now. So I'm gonna be running through some of that video after we get done with this live coverage. So again, this severe thunderstorm warning here, southwestern Clinton, southeastern Cumberland County, until 6:15 Central Time. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter size hail, primary threats with that storm. And then we're going to zoom out here. We're going to switch to Jackson's radar site. All the severe warnings in eastern Kentucky has expired. Just some strong thunderstorm activity in the Barberville area and the Williamsburg area. And then we're going to go back to the Louisville radar site because we still have some strong thunderstorm activity ongoing here in the Columbia, Greensburg area. Again, this is nothing to really be concerned about. These are just some strong storms that's popped up. Not even any lightning popping up